Charter, marking the foundation of our democratic republic. This document is not just a collection of laws, it is the guiding framework that defines who we are as a nation and what we aspire to be. The drafting of the Constitution was led by the Constituent Assembly under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who is rightly called the father of the Indian Constitution. Dr. Ambedkar, along with the drafting committee and other visionaries, worked tirelessly to create a document that would uphold the principles of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. Their vision was to ensure that every citizen, regardless of their background, would have an equal place in our society. Thank you.
So on this Constitution Day, let us reaffirm our commitment to the ideals of the Constitution. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign socialist democratic republic, secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among all of them fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individuals and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, the 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
On the 75th year of adopting our Constitution, let us pledge to be responsible citizens to contribute to the betterment of the nation. Please raise your hands and repeat after me. I solemnly pledge to uphold the values enshrined in the Constitution of India. I will strive to ensure justice, liberty, and equality for all. I will respect the rights and dignity of every individual and foster unity, harmony, and brotherhood among all citizens. I commit to being a responsible citizen, contributing to the progress and integrity of our great nation. I will always honor the ideals of our Constitution and work towards building a better, stronger India. Thank you. Let us carry this commitment with pride and live by it in our daily lives. Jai Hind.
Morning everyone. Now I'm going to conduct a short quiz on Constitution Day. Question number 1. When was the Constitution of India adopted?
26 November 1949.
Correct answer. Question number 2. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution?
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Correct answer. Question number 3. How many members were part of the Constitution Assembly? Correct answer. Question number 4. How many articles did they have in their original constitution? Which part of the constitution deals with the fundamental part?
Part 3.
Correct answer. How long did it take to draft the Indian constitution?
2 years, 11 months, 18 days.
Good morning, sir. Nice to see you that you all are very aware about the Constitution of India. Very good sign. So what is Constitution? What is Constitution? Huh? It is not only a बुक अफ ल संविधान भन्छ नेपालीमा चाहिँ, हिन्दीमा संविधान, विधान भनेको चाहिँ के हो?